In this demo, I will show you how 𝐂𝐻epherd connects to hosts over SSH while its ports are completely closed. We'll see how 𝐂𝐻epherd monitors live activity, and I'll explain the 𝐂𝐻epherd architecture and how it works. Here we have an Ubuntu Linux VM in Azure at IP address 20.51.253.83. Going into the networking blade, we'll see that there are no open ports for SSH. The 𝐂𝐻epherd control app is where end users securely access the servers and apps. It's the same Ubuntu VM with the same IP address. Using 𝐶NMAP, a popular scanning tool, I scan the VM and it shows that there are no open ports. Going back to the 𝐂𝐻epherd control app, we'll launch an SSH session to that VM. As I'm logging in, if you look closely, you'll see that 𝐂𝐻epherd is running that server on a local host port. This is how 𝐂𝐻epherd, along with its other components, enables SSH to run natively while keeping the ports completely closed. I'll create and edit a file to show you how the activity on the SSH session is being monitored in real time. Now we'll go into the 𝐂𝐻epherd Administrator Console. Here we can see our live session. This is important if there is rogue activity happening or if the sessions need to be saved for compliance and auditing. If you are watching the session live, you can also terminate it from the console. 𝐂𝐻epherd's architecture has three components. The end user control app initiates the native connections over localhost. The C3 server or administrator console, which acts as a broker and is run as a stateless Kubernetes package for scalability and fault tolerance. And the agent that gets installed on your critical hosts where the ports are turned off so that they cannot be discovered by external or internal threats. 𝐂𝐻epherd drastically reduces your attack surface, eliminates alert logs to vulnerable ports, contains access to your critical hosts, renders stolen keys useless, prevents lateral movement, and monitors all session activity.